In this video, we're going to look at building order forms. An order form is a special type of web form that collects credit card information securely and, in most cases, processes a payment. This video has two parts. First, we're going to create a theme for our order form, and the theme is the visual skin of the order form. Next, we're going to create an order form using that theme. At the end, we're going to look at some different order form options that are available to us. First, we need to create the order form theme. Hover over the Infusionsoft symbol and go to e-commerce setup in the e-commerce column. In the design section, we want order form themes. You're going to want to click on the green Create New Theme button. We're going to choose one column layout and a starting point for a theme. Let's say we want to start with basic blue. We click on Use this theme, and now we have to give it a name. From here, we can upload a company logo, or we can simply delete this from the theme. Now that we've got a working theme, we can go ahead and use this on an order form. So going back to e-commerce setup in the menu, in the checkout section, we want order forms. Click on the green Create New button and give the order form a name. When you click the green Save button, this will create your new order form. Place your cursor in the product section and select the product that you want to be selling. When you found the product, click the green Add Product button, and it will add it to the order form. Click the Theme tab at the top, and then choose the theme that we have just created. When we click Make Active, we want to click OK to confirm the changes. This order form is now using the theme that we've created. Click on the Thank You page and configure it for a confirmation message that a customer will see upon successful order. Once you've made your changes, you're going to want to click the green Save button. Now click on the Settings at the top of the page. In the Notifications area, check the box that says Notify me by email when someone places an order, and put your email in here. When you've made the changes, you can click the Save button. Now your order form is ready to go. Simply grab it from the link section up here and use the link to the order form in the appropriate email campaigns or broadcasts. Because now, when somebody visits the order form and they submit it with the proper billing information, a contact record is created with an order associated to the products being sold, and any relevant payments are attempted. Now in the future, now that we have a theme created, we can save ourselves time when we're creating order forms by simply starting at the point where we create a new order form and reuse the theme. When we're looking at the different themes, we can actually hover and preview what the theme looks like. So for example, when we're looking at our order form themes, we can click to preview them and see what they look like. Originally we chose a one-column layout. There is a two-column layout available, and this gives you information over here, or the ability to put information over here on the right column. It'll look something like this. Now if you're comfortable with CSS, when you want to adjust an order form theme, you can actually click on the edit button and then edit the CSS from here directly. This is only recommended if you're actually comfortable with CSS, because messing around with this and not knowing what you're doing can easily break the theme. Now on an order form, there is a checkbox that you can check to fix the quantity that's on the order form. This can be useful when selling bundles of products or when products don't make any sense to be sold in multiple quantities. If we look under the Settings tab, there is an option to hide the promo code field. This can allow us to prevent shopping cart promo codes from being used where they shouldn't be. Also in the Settings tab, we can tell the system explicitly which merchant account to use. By default, the shopping cart's configured merchant account is used, but you can override it based on the particular order form. One last thing. In the HTML areas of your order form, the custom header HTML area is useful for holding the sales copy. This way, the order form can operate as a sales page in addition to the point of sale. Regarding automation, remember that any purchase goals associated with products being sold on the order form will be triggered upon successful purchase. And this is how we can do automated follow-up based on the product purchase. In the next video, we're going to look at implementing an automated cart abandon follow-up.